It's surprise time for these guys. It's surprise time. All right, ready to find out what we're doing today?
Water balloon!
That's a water balloon.
I want red!
Yeah?
I want
Okay.
pink and purple.
Pink, purple, and red are the first colors we'll open. All right, pink, purple, and red. All right, you want purple? Amy wants what? Pink? And Emmett, you want red?
Yeah.
All right, we'll open it up.
The color.
Yay! We'll get to playing. All right, we are opening up the bunch of balloons. It is 350 water balloons, but individual spout things, 100 water balloons, and you fill it up in 60 seconds on the hose. And we'll open it up and we'll do the 3 colors. What I am opening up right now is this. It's the bucket that it comes with. It's a 20-inch water balloon bowl. So I'll open that up and set it up. Okay, we filled the bowl up that it came, and we filled the pools up. So we're gonna put these water balloons now in them. We're gonna fill them up. Ready, guys? Ready, guys? All right. First, we are going to take the purple one and fill the purple one up. Right, Alyssa? All right, we're ready. Over your bowl. Actually, we're going to put it in the pool. Isn't, Emmett, your balloons are going in the bowl, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alyssa, let's go put it over the pool. I'm going to turn on the hose, and we're going to fill up the purple ones.
And then my balloons, okay?
All right.
I'm going to help you, Alyssa. I'm stop this.
All right, almost full?
Yep.
All right, I'm going to start turning it off.
Huh? No, shake.
Shake them off.
Shake them off. Shake them off. Shake them off.
Oh, we can go a little bit bigger, so I'm going to go put a little bit more
Ooh,
water.
one is off. One is off. I'll do it so loud. Shake it off. Shake it off. Shake them off. Shake them off.
Oh, look at all those purple ones. All right, now it's Emmett's turn with the red balloons. All right.
Hey. Oh, look.
Okay, ready, Emmett?
You're almost done.
And don't start shaking until they're big.
So they're big.
No, not until they're very large. Remember?
I remember.
Up to the example they gave us.
Okay.
Shake. Pull up. Pull up. Yay! Good job. All right, Amy, your turn. Now it is Amy's turn with her pink
Action.
balloons. All right, ready? Set. Go.
Shake it.
No, not yet. Don't shake them until they get big. Tell me when they get big, Amy.
They're big. Now shake them. Shake. I did it!
Yay! Good job. All right, so now we have everyone's filled. The pink, Amy's balloons in the gray one. Alyssa's purple balloons in the green and blue pool. And Emmett's in the bowl that came with the set. All right, ready, guys? For your water balloon fight? Now play nice. Ready, set, go! Get everybody. They love that. See, what's good about these water balloons is the fact that they had the rubber band instead of being tied. So the rubber band at the end of each balloon leaves a little tiny hole for each child to be able to squeeze it. Yeah, not in people's faces.
Alright.
Bodies, Amy. Not In the face. Body. Lower. Lower. You gotta aim better. You gotta remember to aim. There you go. So they really like being able to squirt them. Not in the face. Not in the face, Emmett. Pay attention to where you are. Say, sorry. Bodies. Ooh! Emmett. She's still going, even though you got splashed in the face. Still all smiles.
I still have it.
Watch out for the eyes. Oh. Get him good, Alyssa. Pick up a new one and get him good. They love this. So a bunch of balloons and in our pool. We have the water table, the slide, and everyone's set up. It's good summer kind of play set for all the kids to play with. Hey, be careful.
How small my baby is now.
Baby water balloon. See, now they got it. This is the best part of these water balloons. They honestly, what do you guys think? Do you think throwing the balloons are it's more fun to throw them or to squirt them like this?
Squirt them.
Okay, we got one squirt, one throw. Alyssa, do you like to throw them or do you like to squirt them? Squirt. We gotta. Yeah. And what's really fun about these is that when the balloons come off of them, it's like a homemade sprinkler. And you can put them on the hose and then spray. It's really fun. 1 in 33 usually stay on this nozzle, but not bad. 1 out of every 33 or 34. 35, I think. I don't know. Alright, so what do you guys think? You love these water balloons, don't you? We have 3 very large smiles. Uh-oh. Get him back. So you squirt me, I get you.